So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this, and then you want to signing in to your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. Then after you're signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to your profile picture at the top right of your screen, and then you want to click on settings, and then right here at the settings of the membership at the base plan, you want to make sure you are having this manage option instead add option. Then after that, you can go back to YouTube TV homepage by clicking on TV at the top left of your screen. And then after that, you need to add and buy the Sports Plus channel to watch FanDuel Sports Network on YouTube TV. And then to do it, you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then right here, you can just click on all. Then you want to choose on NFL Red Zone with Sports Plus. You want to click on it. And then just click on next to complete your purchase. And then after you buy the Sports Plus at the NFL Red Zone with $11 per month and the free trial, you can go to the search icon at the top right of your screen, and then you want to search for FanDuel, and then you want to choose on FanDuel TV. Just click on FanDuel TV network, and here at FanDuel TV, as you can see, you need to buy on Sports Plus first to watch the FanDuel TV. And then at the FanDuel TV, you can just scroll down and then choose and watch any program at the FanDuel Sports Network on YouTube TV at your smart TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch FanDuel Sports Network on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.